Facing the waiting for this message error on WhatsApp on your iPhone, this usually happens due to end-to-end encryption or network issues. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the waiting for this message error on WhatsApp. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Go to the Settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. Offloading WhatsApp on your iPhone helps free up space on your phone without deleting your messages. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now, go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up your chat or messages. Do that. Open up the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings icon below. Then tap Chats. After that, tap Chat Backup. Now, tap Backup Now. After completing the backup, go to your iPhone home screen. Find the WhatsApp app. Press and hold on it. Tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Again, tap Delete. Now, go to the App Store. Search WhatsApp app. Now, install the WhatsApp and then tap Open. Sign in again with your same phone number. Here, you'll see that WhatsApp is asking you to restore from iCloud. Tap Restore Now. After that, tap Next. Allow your contacts. Now, try to open any chat and see whether the issue is solved or not. Hope it is solved now. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.